Thank you for joining us. I'm Juan, lead trader and founder of ProsperiTrade. In this quick, short video, I want to take a look at our portfolio and see how our stocks have been doing this year. Please stand by for the video. So if we look, our first video was EXAS in March 11th. It's down 21%. They missed their expected earnings by 40 cents, which caused a drop. I'm still bullish. They've talked about a merger with another company. They've continued to try to expand their business model by making acquisitions and mergers. So I'm still bullish on this company. Next is Senseonics. Senseonics, we spoke about it on March 16th. It's up 11% from the time that we initially called it out. I'm still bullish on this stock too. They've received positive feedback so far on their 180-day glucose monitoring device. That's going to be a great catalyst for the company. Next, MP. MP recently came out with their earnings and they did way better than expected. The stock actually jumped up today past $40 and it retraced a little bit down to 37. But it's still up 6%. I'm still bullish on it. I believe that the material that they make, the NdPr, will be used in every electronic vehicle. Right now, the majority of that is received by China. They receive over 80% of it from China and Australia. This company is positioning themselves to be a big provider of NdPr here locally in the United States. Next is Palantir. There's so many videos on Palantir. I think Palantir down the road is going to be a major company and you should see great profit on your investment. Right now, they're a B2B company and they're moving towards B2C. They've expanded and they're marketing towards small businesses and they're taking steps to become more a B2C company, which will take them to another level. And I think in order for them to reach that $1 trillion valuation that we hope they reach, they need to be a B2C company. So I'm still bullish and I'm still holding Palantir for the long hold. Next, we have Gold, GOLD. That company is a great company. This was kind of like a hedge play. So if there's ever a fear of inflation, gold price should go up. Next stock is SMTI. It's been our best investment so far. It's up 66% and it was actually higher. It pulled back a little. But I think this company is a really, really strong company in regards to wound care specialty. They have a lot of products that hospitals and surgical centers and different facilities use to prevent wound infections. So I think this company is important and they're going to be around for a long time. Next is DNMR, and this has been our worst company. So we've had our best with SMTI and DNMR is our worst, down 26%. Their last headlines they've had is regarding a lawsuit that they're involved in. And it's not pretty. It paints them out to kind of exaggerating some of their findings. So I'm keeping a close eye. If they have exaggerated some of their findings and some of their science and some of their technology, it's not going to be a good look for the company. I'll be watching this. I'll be watching it closely. And if there's any changes, I'll send out an alert. AMD was a great call that we did. We talked about it when it was trading in the 70s and gave instruction on how to purchase leap options. Gave a price target of 105, reached that 105, hit 106 when we closed. But it went as high as 120 and pulled back to 110. So that was a 42% increase from the time that we initially made the video, and it was a great trade. Next, SMLR was our latest video. It's a great company. Their fundamentals are excellent. They're a company that's innovating a way to diagnose peripheral artery disease. And we know peripheral artery disease is a major issue in the United States. It leads to heart attacks, strokes, and if found early, if detected early, it can be treated with medication, but if it's detected late, it can cause strokes and heart attacks and need surgical intervention. So finding it early is definitely a high priority, and this company's ahead of the game in doing that. So we put together all the stock alerts. We're up 73% so far, even with the 26% downside on this one, 21% on that side, not that one. We're up 73%. Now let's take a look at the swing trades. We did a swing trade on NEO where we called it for an option play. It hit our price target, went up 10%. BLRX has been my biggest play this year. We called that on 417 and on 5.4, it hit our target and passed our target. It actually we closed at I closed at 510, but it went higher. It went as high as $6.20, I believe. So that was a 90% increase. SRNE was another one that I got out early, 764. I had a price target of 12. It went as high as 1040, 1080, I believe. I got out at 839, which was still a 9% increase. There was another one, $1.29. We called out this stock. I called out a price target of 2 something. It did hit that 2 something, but I was impatient. I got out at 160 for a 24% increase. DTEA, I made an alert on it and mentioned I was going to make a video on it. I never actually traded this one, but I still put it up here because of the alert that I made. But that one's down 21%, and it's still down up to this point. Cara and PDD were the last 2 videos I just made pretty recently, a couple days ago. And Cara's up 5% and PDD is down 4%. So all the swing trades total for the year, it comes up to 114% if you followed every single swing trade that I made with the timing, the alerts, and the closing. You would be up 114% on your trades. So that was just a quick recap on our portfolio so far this year. If you enjoyed that, please follow our videos. Please subscribe. Please comment. Please like. And that way you can get alerts when I make videos and follow and get the type of gains that we've shown here. So we hope to see you in the comments. And thank you for joining us. And see you on the next video. Thank you.